Hi guys, I wanted to do a quick video because some folks out there are having problem remote controlling their Canon M50 or M series cameras, where they installed the latest utility from Canon and now they can no longer connect to their PC and cannot remote control their camera whilst creating their YouTube videos or whatever. So the utility you want is this version, EOS Utility 3.11.0. It works with the latest version of at least I only have a PC, so I only can test it with PC. It works with the latest version of the Windows 10, which is version 2004, build 19041.450. That is the latest version, but do not, I repeat, do not get the latest here, because you will not be able to connect your camera. I've tried it, it fails. So what I did is I downloaded I had the 3.12.30.9, but I downloaded 3.11.0.0 because that's the version I originally had that worked perfectly. When I updated the version, and now I know why people are having issues, when I updated the version, it stopped working. So if I was to open the utility now, as you can see, it works perfectly. There are no issues. You can do remote record. You can stop the recording, close it, grab the file. So I was kind of surprised when I saw people having these kind of issues. So I just wanted to make a quick video to help you guys out resolve your remote recording, USB recording, tethered recording issues. I'm 99% sure it's related to your driver. It's not your Windows, it's not the software, it's probably not even your USB cable if it was working before, unless it got damaged. It's the software, Canon software, okay? Take care. If this video has helped you, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as I present solutions on regular basis for content creators, and I help them troubleshoot issues with their PCs and their cameras. So please like and subscribe. Take care. Bye.